This is a turkey teeth trip.
Well, part one.
It's the Ponytail Pensioner, Best Beloved, Wholesome Hub, all here in Antalya for a walking and culinary trip, 2024 style. We've walked thousands of steps. We've drunk gallons of coffee. And we've had the culinary experience of a lifetime.
Sheep's head soup. Not for the faint-hearted.
Yes, walking fans, it's the turkey teeth walking trip in Antalya, Turkish Riviera. So we set out early doors for our morning walk down to Konyaalti Park and the Espresso Lab, selected by my mates who are coffee connoisseurs, Hasan and Emma, Pasha too, who came with us for the morning part of the walk, but wasn't there later on for the raid on the local food market. Civilians have suddenly appeared. After coffee, Esma took the afternoon off and joined us, and we headed east, the other side of the old city, Kaleiçi, towards the lower Dūden Park. Anyway, we've broken one of our rules. We've come to a tourist attraction, which is just heaving, but it's okay. Well, this looks like a rapids course, and this is the river that feeds the waterfalls, and you really don't want to be going beyond those bollards or this fence, because if you do, this is what awaits you. You can see whenever you come to one of these places, at least you don't have to pay for it, which is really good. I approve of that. So big tick there for Antalya, not charging to see a feature. In Britain, this would cost you about 20 quid to go and look at. Well done, Turkey.
The parrots.
Oh, fuck me. Hello, Polly. Not a bit of parrot spotting there. Emma just said, I'm not going near them, I don't like birds. To which I replied, you don't seem to mind them stuffed and roasted. After our sightseeing, guided by Hasan and Esma, we stocked up with local produce. Well, this is quite a place. This is Antalya Council fish restaurant in what feels like a gymnasium. Amazing place. And there is a fish counter right there. 2 massive sea bass secured at the Fish Emporium. After we'd secured the fish, we needed to get the rest. Thursday evening, local market. Off we went, the 4 of us. Pasha, alas, couldn't come to this particularly hectic and jammed experience. Fresh produce galore here, including a lot of walnuts, and I mean a lot. Fucking walnuts everywhere. Death on a truck, lads, death on a truck. Jamie, that's not for you or I. The fresh produce at this market was absolutely outstanding. Hasan and Esma had their favourite stalls and we followed in hot pursuit. We had a terrific time. stocked up with a tremendous range of fresh vegetables, and worked our way back to the apartment where Esma and Hasan cooked up a storm. Once again, we feasted like kings and queens, Turkey style. Fantastic produce here. Fantastic. Best beloved was now able to eat at least semi-properly, and I think may even have enjoyed a glass of wine with tonight's feast. Thanks so much again, walking fans, for watching this. Hope you enjoyed something slightly different. Follow me. I'm Steve, the Ponytail Pensioner.